Products didn't make my hair grow. There's no wrong or right way to do locks. Like, you do what's best for you. And I just want to validate that whatever your routine is, and if it's working for you, that's good. Okay, so it's been about a week since I retwisted my hair when I was at that conference. If we go in there, you can see that I redid the first 2 or 3 rows. I retwisted my hair last Friday. I am still rocking the same style and the same faux retwist on my way to work as usual when I'm filming. Faux retwist and low manipulation can last for a while and you can still be business or business casual. Something I've been thinking a lot about as I've been getting back into the lock community is how many people are selling products or certain regimens or talking down about other products and other regimens. And it's been just interesting to watch as someone who is low to no manipulation with my locks. My locks are still relatively long. Products didn't make my hair grow. And using specific regimens or spritzing on a certain interval or tying my hair up in a certain way, which is something I don't really do anyway, hasn't been what contributed to my growth. It's like actually what I've eaten, how stressed I've been, and am I responding to what my hair needs. So if it's starting to get crispy and dry, am I spritzing it with water or washing or conditioning to supplement my hair, etc., etc. It's never actually been the products that I use or the specific regimen. I don't even think I have one. I guess my regimen is washing when my hair is dirty and moisturizing when my hair is dry. But I was talking to, I'm gonna put her name here, I can't remember what her name is. She's great, she's always engaging with me in the comments, but I was talking to her in the comments and she had asked me what my regimen was, and I basically was like, well, I like locks because I get to wake and shake. Literally, I just got out of bed and I woke and I shook and I showered, washed my face, all that, getting ready to work. But like, my hair is the least of my worries in terms of getting prepared to leave the house. And that's why I like locks. I think a lot of people are making it into this whole, I don't know, the system where you have to have the right cheat codes and you have to have the right products and team shampoo, team no conditioner, team only conditioner, etc., etc. Like, there's no wrong or right way to do locks. Like, you do what's best for you. There's no wrong or right way to do locks. Like, you do what's best for you. It just makes me really annoyed to see that people are like, we need to use this specific oil from this specific company. Oh, you're not using shampoo, you're crazy. I don't know, it's just really interesting to watch the division in the lock community as it exists based on the videos that I see. And I just want to validate that whatever your routine is, and if it's working for you, that's good. And if you haven't found it yet, then keep trying, because what works for another person here on the YouTube might not actually work for you. Anyway, be encouraged and have a wonderful day. Thank you for staying on this video, and I'll see you next time.